Here we have MARACOOS OceansMap homepage. So on the left-hand side we have our toolbar, we have our data layers tool, virtual stations, traffic lights, validation, custom layers, our base maps, compare mode tool, insights, and the feedback form. On the bottom is the time slider. The user can change the settings of that tool. Here on the left is the zoom level and the lat long of the cursor. The bottom right is the compass, the zoom in and out, and the location if it's enabled. The top right we have additional tools. We have the share view tool, the screenshot tool, the animation tool, activate hover tooltip, measure distance, zoom to box selection, and the legend. And the top right, these three dots, we can see the privacy policy, about, and you can set the unit system. And then the dashboard view takes you to the home page of the dashboard, and you can switch back to map view. And then if you click the logo, that will take you back to the home screen.